Good afternoon, everyone. I am Abhinav. I am from Bihar, Patna. I would like to thank the entire Evision team for helping me getting a job. First of all, I would like to tell you that I enrolled in the Evision 45 days internship program. In that internship program, I learned about the basics of networking, Windows administration, CCNA, troubleshooting, ITIL, Linux administration, and cyber security. Then after I got a job in many I got a job offer from many companies. From there I was selected in two companies, ITC Infotech and Physics Wala. My salary in hand is around 2.6 lakhs LPA. My CTC is 2.6 LPA. I would like to thank the entire Evision team for their support. Without their support, it won't be possible. I am very happy and I am satisfied with the knowledge and the training they provided, and the guidance and the support they give is unimaginable. Thank you, Evision. Thank you for the support.